and discuss how to find perimeter and area of quadrilaterals. First, perimeter of a quadrilateral. If A, B, C and D are the lengths of the four sides of a quadrilateral, then its perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D units. First we discuss how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. If you see this diagram in the figure, ABCD is a rectangle with length is equal to L units and breadth is equal to B units. Then first point area is equal to length into breadth square unit. Second, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B units. Third point, diagonal is equal to under square root over L square plus B square unit. Now for a square, in the figure ABCD is a square with each equal side is your A units. Then first point is your perimeter is equal to, perimeter means sum of all the sides, so that is coming 4A units. Second point, area is equal to A square units. Also we can find the area when diagonal is given, that is half into diagonal square. And third point, if side is given, to find diagonal is equal to root 2 into A units, or we can use another formula, that is under square root 2 into area units. Third point, for a parallelogram, in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. DL is the height or perpendicular to AB. Then area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to AB into DL. That is means base into corresponding height. Fourth point, for a rhombus. In the figure ABCD is a rhombus. So my dear student, when you are going to find the area of the rhombus, then surely it is given to diagonals, that is your SC is your D1 and BD is your D2 are two diagonals of the rhombus ABCD. Then area of rhombus ABCD is equal to half into D1 into D2, that is equal to half into product of the diagonals. Remember, in a rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Now fifth point, area of a trapezium. In the figure ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC, and in the figure DL, distance between the parallel sides AB and DC. So when these three conditions are given, then area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into AB plus DC into DL. That means area is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Sixth point, this is one special quadrilateral. When two diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect at right angles are given, this is your condition. So in the diagram, ABCD is a quadrilateral whose two diagonals AC and BD intersect at right angles are given to you. Then area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into AC into BD. That means half into product of the diagonals. Seventh point, when one diagonal and perpendiculars from the opposite vertices to that diagonal are given. Here in the diagram, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Suppose out of your two diagonals, one diagonal AC is given, and now the two opposite vertices P and D. From these two opposite vertices, the perpendiculars DL and DM to the diagonal SC are given. Then area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into AC into BN plus DM. My dear student, this is all about the chapter area and perimeter of the plane figures. So remember all these formulas and try to solve what is given in your book. Thank you.